Welcome to Fix Your Apps, where we help you navigate the best tools for your digital life. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best free video call apps to help you stay connected without spending a dime. Now, let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Signal Private Messenger with a solid 4.3 star rating and over 2 million reviews on the Play Store. Signal is widely considered the gold standard for secure communication. It is a completely free, non-profit messaging app designed to keep your texts and calls away from prying eyes. Here are 3 standout features that make Signal a top choice. Built for privacy, every single communication is protected by industry-leading end-to-end encryption. Disappearing messages. This allows you to keep your chat history tidy by having messages vanish after a set time. Free voice and video calls. You can make high-quality encrypted calls to individuals or groups of up to 50 people. As we open the app, you'll land on the chats page, which features a clean and minimal layout for all your conversations. By tapping the calls option, you can quickly view your history or start a new encrypted session, while the stories option lets you share temporary updates that disappear after 24 hours. If you need to find someone specific, just hit the search icon in the top right corner. Finally, clicking the profile icon in the top left gives you full control over your privacy settings and account preferences. At number 4 on our list, we have Google Meet with a strong 4.4 star rating and over 11 million reviews on the Play Store. This app is a powerhouse for secure, high-quality video calling. It's designed to bring people together, whether you're catching up with family or collaborating with a professional team. Here are 3 standout features that make it a top choice. Easily join and create video calls. You can start a meeting or jump into one instantly with just a simple link. Meet anywhere on any device. The app offers a seamless experience whether you are on a phone, tablet, or laptop. Fun with backgrounds and reactions. You can express yourself during calls using creative filters, virtual backgrounds, and real-time emoji reactions. As we open the app, you're greeted by a clean home page that displays your upcoming meetings at a glance. At the bottom, you'll see the new option, which is your go-to for starting a fresh call or scheduling one for later. Moving to the top left, the 3 lines icon opens up your settings and help menu. Right in the center, the search bar allows you to quickly find specific contacts or meetings. Finally, on the top right, your profile icon lets you easily switch between different Google accounts to keep your personal and work life organized. At number 3 on our list, we have Telegram. With a 3.7 star rating and over 16 million reviews, this app has become a global powerhouse for instant messaging, serving over 1 billion active users who value speed and privacy. Here are 3 standout features that make Telegram a top choice. Fast, it's a simple, reliable service that stays perfectly synced across all your devices. Powerful, there are virtually no limits on the size of your group chats or video calls. Secure, every chat and call is protected by industry-leading encryption to keep your data safe. Taking a look at the interface, the Home Chats page keeps your conversations front and center. By tapping the 3-line icon in the top left, you can access your profile settings and contacts, while the search icon in the top right makes finding specific messages or channels effortless. Down at the bottom, the pencil icon lets you quickly start a new chat or group, and the camera icon in the bottom right is always ready for when you want to capture and share a moment instantly. It's a clean, intuitive layout that puts massive power right at your fingertips. At number 2 on our list is Messenger. This free communication giant holds a solid 4.4 star rating from over 105 million reviews on the Play Store. It's designed as an all-in-one hub to help you connect with anyone, anywhere, bridging the gap between simple texting and building a real community. Here are 3 standout features that make it a top choice. Expressive communication, it's a highly social and useful tool that lets you share your vibe beyond just words. Personalized experience. You can bring your own unique energy to every conversation with custom themes. Dynamic chatting. The app is built to make your interactions feel more alive and expressive through stickers and reactions. As we dive into the interface, you'll first land on the chats page where all your recent conversations are neatly organized for quick access. At the top, you'll find the search bar menu, making it easy to find specific friends or past messages in an instant. Looking at the bottom of the screen, there's a dedicated stories icon where you can catch up on daily updates from your connections. Next to that is the notifications option to keep you updated on new activity. Finally, tapping the 3-line menu icon in the bottom right opens up your deeper settings and community tools, giving you full control over your Messenger experience. At number 1 on our list, we have WhatsApp Messenger. With a stellar 4.5 star rating from over 216 million reviews, this app from Meta is the global standard for free messaging and video calling used by over 2 billion people worldwide. Here are 3 features that make it a must-have. Simple, reliable, and private. It offers a seamless way to stay in touch with friends and family even on slow connections. End-to-end encryption. Your personal messages and calls are fully secured, ensuring no one outside your chat can read or listen to them. Global connectivity. You can make high-quality voice and video calls with up to 32 people anywhere in the world for free. Taking a look at the interface, we start on the chats page where all your recent conversations are neatly organized. At the top, you'll find the search bar, allowing you to quickly pull up specific messages or contacts. By tapping the plus icon, you can instantly start a new conversation or create a group. Shifting over to the Updates tab, you can view 24-hour status stories from your contacts. Finally, the Calls option gives you a dedicated space to manage your voice and video history and start new calls with a single tap. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more app breakdowns.